This is how I make these delicious crispy cheese snacks made with cheddar and fresh soft curd cheese. Similar to quark or farmer's cheese, they smell amazing as they bake and you get these delicious flaky layers. I also like to make some with sesame seeds and caraway, so feel free to make your own version. Start by combining salt and plain flour and adding cold cubed butter. Coat your butter with the flour so it doesn't melt onto your fingers, and using your fingertips, rub the butter through the flour, making sure your butter stays cold. When your flour and butter resembles breadcrumbs, add beaten egg yolks and sour cream and work it through your dough slightly with a fork. Then add your curd cheese. I use a dry curd which is quite fine in texture. If your curd pieces are large, work it through a sieve to break it up first, and again using your fork, work it through your dough. Add your mature cheddar cheese and toss it through your dough so it's evenly distributed, and knead your dough slightly just until everything is well combined and comes together. Don't over knead your dough because this will make your cheese snacks tough and dense instead of light and flaky. Then cover with cling film and refrigerate for 15 minutes, which keeps the butter cold and makes the dough easier to roll. I have never been great at rolling perfect circles or rectangles, so just roll your pastry until it's approximately half a centimetre thick and slice into whatever shapes and sizes you like, as long as the thickness of the dough remains the same so it bakes evenly. Brush the tops of your dough with a beaten egg and sprinkle with some cheese. I use mature cheddar cheese. I like to make some with sesame seeds and caraway too, so just basically use what you like. I use a butter knife to transfer them to a tray lined with a baking sheet and bake at 180°C for 25 to 30 minutes or until they're crispy and golden. And the smell when these little tasty bites are cooking is so delicious and comforting. Whilst it's tempting to eat a few like I did when they're fresh out of the oven, allow them to cool before serving. During this time they'll become even crispier, and that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, click that notification bell, and thank you for watching.